So, um, I I sometimes just don't learn, and I did my hair with 1-to-1 with the ion bleach, and it doesn't mix for some reason. It doesn't mix it well enough. So it has more of a tendency to like just stay on the hair rather than saturate. And so I decided to bleach it on Sunday, and the top was still very yellow. And I just really, really, really want to do this pastel in my hair. So I had gotten Lavender Moon from Ion. It's a toner. I didn't add any blue to it, purple to it like I did the last time, because it just made my hair look more like a black chalky color, like a dark gray chalky color. It didn't come out black, and it did really not much for the, at the time it was gold, but this had lifted to a yellow when I did it on Sunday. But I should have just got the Wella 218. Since it already was a purple-based toner, it turned my hair silver. And then the yellow looks kind of taupey on top. I don't know if you can see because I'm only working with one light here. So, honestly, I love this color in my hair. I love this beautiful silver in my hair. If this would have happened the first time I tried to do silver hair, I would have been so happy. But it's too silver, too grayish for me to be able to use pastels. So I'm frustrated here. So what I think I'm gonna do is they say that if you use cheap shampoos, it will remove color from your hair. My hair was a platinum. It wasn't a white, it was a platinum. So I'm just going to use that to see if it'll fade out that silver, and come what may, I'm just going to try the pastels in my hair, because, yeah, I've been trying to do the summer. We're already the first week of August. Summer will be over soon, and I still haven't been able to do this pastel in my hair. I have not been able to catch up on the things that I let go when my daughter was here. So... it's just so much, catching up to do right now. But yeah, I did this, and I'm just gonna see if I use. I think I bought some coconut shampoos from, I don't know if it was Family Dollar. I wanted to try it out, so those are the cheapy ones. I'm gonna use that for a couple of shampoos and see if it fades this out to a white, which eventually it does fade out to a white, and just take it from there. And OMG, I mixed some colors together. I had Jade from Revlon, and it was too blue based to be a green, but it wasn't blue based enough to be a teal. And I had tried mixing it with some blue and mixing it with some black, and I just couldn't get it right. And even though I wanted a warm green, I had some white left over from some sort of neon set I bought from Sally's. I think it started with a B. Years ago. I still had some white left, so I said, let me just mix these together. This is my favorite light green color. Even though I was trying to do a warm base green, this is my favorite. But I'm having a little bit of trouble getting the consistency right, because nail polishes tend to get thick over time. So I gotta cut these down. This nail is broken right here in the corner. It's broken all the way, in, not almost to the middle. So it's time for me to cut these, and they'll match this. But I really, really like the length that this is. But what are you gonna do? So yeah, so that's it for that.